Friday.
It's Friday.
Friday.
Friday. It's Friday.
Life.
Ha. Fridays are always a fun day, huh? We got our water. We just woke up. I just woke up.
I just woke up and some guys are spraying tar on my car, so I had to run downstairs. A bit of exercise in the morning.
But right when we wake up, we always drink a big thing of water just because it gets everything moving. It starts hydrating your body from the get-go, and it's definitely something that helps us on our journey. So if you don't already, when you wake up, within 30 minutes, drink some water.
Some water. Drink some water. It's amazing.
Amazing.
Makes a difference. It gets your body kick-started.
Yep. There's a little tip for you. All right.
Little tip.
We'll see you the rest of the day.
Little tippy tip.
Adios. Have you ever had a dream and really wondered what it meant and then you Googled it? That's what I'm doing right now. For some reason, right before I woke up, I had a dream that I pooped my pants. Yes, that's right, I pooped my pants. But this one actually interpreted the right way. I read a lot of other ones and they didn't make any kind of sense, but this one makes sense. And I surely had to go to the bathroom right when I woke up. So thank you, Poop in My Pants dream, for waking me up so that I can make it to the bathroom. It's about that time that we get our workout in, which means one thing. Time to get our energize in. Hey guys, just got done with our workout as you saw.
It was awesome. Working outside is the best. Alex is stripping as we speak. Is the best thing about working out by a pool
Is what?
is you get to jump in straight after.
Woo!
1, 2, 3.
Baby. Aww.
Your shaker is served, madam.
Shako, you are so sweet. Thanks, baby. Yay for snack time. Quick and easy. I can do it while I do my hair. This is magic.
I think you should let the curls like that. Enjoy your shaker.
Thanks, babe. I love you. Hey everybody, it is lunchtime, and like we said yesterday, we're totally switching it up the next couple days because we needed something new. So we are making tacos, but let me show you the plan. So our lunch plan is 1.5 reds, 1 green, 2 yellows, 1 orange, half blue, and purple. So with that being said, we have our turkey taco meat ready to go. I put the seasoning on there. If you don't know how to make that, check out our website, alexandeddysilcock.com. Under the cooking show, we have our tacos on there. We also kind of heated up the black beans, and I mushed them to make them more of like a refried black beans. I would make sure that will go on our tacos. We get 1 yellow cup of that. Over here we have our corn tortillas heating up. We each get 2 for $1 yellow. On top, we will top it off with some Greek yogurt, some salsa, and some lettuce. We also get half blue, so we're gonna put some avocado on that baby. And then our fruit will be most likely probably some strawberries, because we have lots of strawberries. So that is lunch for today. I'm super excited about it. It smells delicious. Can't wait to eat it. See you guys. Hey guys. I feel like it's been a while since we've driven anywhere, kind of more than 10 minutes away from our apartment. But we're getting out and about. We're heading back to my old stomping grounds, which I'm really excited about. Heading into the Provo Beachbody office. This is where the sales team is and the recognition team, so it's going to be a lot of fun to catch up with them, talk Beachbody, and see what's going on, especially for the UK. Woo!
First song I ever bought. First song I ever bought, I was 10.
Here it is. Beachbody Provo headquarters. What are you going to find inside? Quick little speed round if you don't mind.
Yeah, let's do it.
Favorite program?
Insanity, by far.
Favorite Shakeology flavor?
Strawberry.
Do you work on the morning or night?
Evening, it's hard.
Fish or chips?
Chips.
Chips. I said that one for you guys. Why did you come to Beachbody?
Beachbody, I was a customer first. My wife and I struggled through Insanity for about 30 days, picked it up again, finished it, and then 4 months after that, Jeff Hill gave me a call. He's our president of global sales, gave me a call. I knew I was very familiar with Beachbody. I trusted in Jeff's leadership. It's a speed of trust, and it hasn't disappointed. It's been the best 6 years of my professional life, and it's changed me, changed my family, and I'm just so fortunate to be here. Sometimes I've got to pinch myself to think I'm helping this $1 billion company go international. That's awesome. So,
Favorite coach?
favorite coach, Eddie and Alex.
I'm gonna do that. All right, thanks for playing along.
All right, nice meeting you guys.
See you guys in a couple weeks. I don't really miss this at all. Do you?
We've not been in a commute for, I can't remember the last time we were in a commute. This is just horrible. I used to do this every day.
Every day. Every day I used to do this because we just came from where I worked at. So every day I used to do this, especially on Fridays, rush hour, not fun. But it's been months and it's the coolest thing.
It just reinforces that we're grateful we don't have to do this anymore.
Yeah.
Amen.
Talk about the best husband ever. Here I am working on our vlog for tonight, and he's making dinner for us.
Salmon, my lady.
Salmon,
It's gonna be yummy.
sweet potato, coconut oil, broccoli. The huge. Can't wait. Look at that. He's my Superman. You're so hot. But that's the best view out of all of that.
You're crazy.
You're so handsome. Alright guys, this is going to be a quick one. We've seen a lot throughout the day. We've done a lot actually today, which has been fun. Cool things, got out.
Even booked a flight for the second tour.
Booked a couple flights, excited. Workout was great. Jumped in the pool afterwards, a lot of fun.
Workout was crazy because it was hot.
Yep.
And it was good to jump in the pool. It was funny. We went hard though. You can feel it getting stronger every time.
Food was great. Tacos for lunch for money.
You did a great job. It's so tasty.
So tasty. Just got done with Sam at dinner and now ready just to kind of chill. We're excited about it.
It's been a good first 5 days.
Yep. It's been a great. We've got 2 more days and then we get away and see how we're doing.
But compared to last Friday, we feel like different people.
Yep. Totally different. All right. You ready for Saturday?